Right there. He's about to fall. See? I got him.
Wait.
Yeah, he's dead.
Let's go, boy!
Let's go! Yeah, let's go!
Well, it is a cold one this morning. We're out here gonna be doing some deer drives. It's too cold to stay still. We got Carter over here getting into position. Me and Caleb are gonna slip up this mountain. His dad's done got up on top, and we're gonna cover a couple of these different draws where some deer should be coming through. See if we see something here.
We need to be on that little hill thing out there just in case they're running above us. While it's sitting there blowing at them, I say we need to hurry up there. Don't you think so?
Hey, here's that guy.
Dave, we're gonna see a buck and it's gonna run right over the top of that. I don't think this is a good spot for Dave.
I say we slide up a little bit. That way.
That long.
You think so?
That thing.
Caleb, our wind's going straight this way though.
What's gonna be running? It's not gonna be worried about smell. Hey, Dad.
John's white, buck, John's white, Dave.
Buck it hurt.
Shooter for the boys.
You shoot it for them. Can we shoot?
Where is it?
I think.
I can't see it.
I can't get. I got him.
You got him? What is it?
Yeah, he's about to fall.
Come here.
He's right there. He's about to fall. See? I got him.
Wait.
Yeah, he's dead.
Let's go, boy!
Let's go! Yeah, let's go!
He got him. I don't know what it is, but I seen a rack on him. We're up here. Let's go. Caleb, get your rifle, Caleb. Come back, get your rifle.
Let's go!
Caleb, go get your rifle, dude. He dropped him. Caleb, get your rifle. Here. Let's go. We have no idea what size he is, but we're fired up, guys.
Where are you?
I've never seen him. Where's he at? Be ready. Wait, stop right there, Caleb, for just a second. Caleb!
Let's go.
Look at that kicker!
Oh, yeah, he's a good one.
He's a good one, guys.
Let's go. Oh, it's got one there. Let's go.
Let's see this thing.
Dude, let's go.
Caleb! Here you go.
Let's go.
Show me this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
He's a 9-pointer.
No. Hold him up right there.
Let's go.
Let's go, Caleb!
Let's go, dude.
Woo! Look at the ice on this thing's back, dude.
Oh, wow. It's got so. That's a mature deer, too. That's that old deer with crazy rack. Let's go.
Hold that thing up, Caleb. Get down and hold that thing up. Let's go. It worked, guys.
Let's go.
Caleb, we ain't been out here more than 20 minutes. Our deer drive worked. Let's go, dude. Look at this thing. We got little.
I shot him free-handed. Almost dropped him first shot.
Let's go. Yes.
Let's go.
Here,
Let's go. It's that weird rack with no brow tines.
He's got his knives.
I dropped him. The first
Where'd he come from, Tony? You said buck, and I said, and Caleb's like, here he is, and he's up on him. I couldn't even see him.
He was just right over here. I saw it. He jumped up and headed that way. I was like, man, that's where they're at.
Let's go, Caleb. That's crazy, man. Look at his. Look at this.
This is a weird
Look at the
rack.
mass on this. Look at the eyes. Oh, that's awesome, man.
His rack is decked definitely weird.
Oh, that's cool, dude. Man, that is awesome.
Let's go.
So which one is this?
Look at the ice on him. We have him on camera. It's that messed up rack. He's not bad though.
He's your biggest buck, Caleb.
Definitely. His G3's good.
That happens
G2.
so fast.
Yeah.
Like, he was far when Caleb shot. Caleb's like, I'm on him. I'm like, where is he? And
I
then
got him on the run. Or not on the run.
wasn't he coming right at us?
And I said, I got him. And he's down like this. And I shoot him again out here and drop him.
Let's go, boy.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, he's down right here. We got him. He's the one with no brow tines. He's a mature buck. No brow tines.
I wonder where I
Had
hit
the
him
pull
at.
on one side.
I bet I hit him like right there. Oh yeah, smoked him right there. He's not huge, but he's a good dude.
Caleb, he's plenty big.
Hey, why are you shooting deer in my spot?
Whew, it's cold out here. It's like 5 degrees outside right now, and I'm gonna try to slip in the woods with my bow for just a little bit before heading out with one of my buddies. I'm gonna meet up with him and take one of his boys. They can use a rifle and kind of walk around. Rut's wide open right now. Deer are running like crazy. I took Caleb yesterday, and man, he shot his biggest buck to date yesterday, so man, I'm fired up. It's January 17th. It's a little late in the morning. We've had this big ice storm that came through. Really, it was supposed to be snow, but it's pretty much like ice. I just jumped some deer here. About to get up in this tree. I think there was a good buck in the group. Not exactly sure. They've been 3 deer. Looked like maybe a buck with a doe and maybe 2 younger bucks. Just really hard to tell. At this point in the season, really anything goes as far as what I'll shoot. I'm not going to be too picky. Had a really awesome year so far. A lot of good encounter with big deer. Several in other states. With these cold temps all week, I'm really wanting to try age a deer. And so I'm hoping that I can get one today and just leave it hanging. Got a coyote. Got 2 coyotes out here. Said 2 coyotes come through, tried to lip squeak. They wouldn't commit to it, so I don't see them anymore, but I'm gonna go with some rapid distress. I'm trying to make something happen here. My wind must be going over there. I called him in. That happened fast. My goodness. That first one came in and he caught me moving. I moved too quick and he bolted out of there. But I kept going and that second one came in. I don't know if it got my wind or what, but that was fun. My goodness. That lead guy, he came in hard charging. I just, as he stopped, I just moved. I got too excited and messed that up. Man, that's the first action I've had all morning since I've been in the tree. It's close. There's a bobcat right here, just got a squirrel. That was one of the coolest things I've ever seen. That bobcat was at like 50 yards. All of a sudden I heard squealing, and there it was, getting a squirrel. I didn't really get good footage of him, but he sat there and just started playing and just like throwing it in the air and jumping to get it like it was the coolest thing. I left the camera on the camp arm because I thought maybe he was going to walk this way and I could get a shot. I lost sight of it. I think it was in line with these trees right here. And I could hear it eating, but I'm running out of shoot line. And, man, that was cool.